So in this video, guys, we're going to cover the best-selling niches for print on demand, merch by Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, etc. as of August the 28th. So let's share my computer and let's dive right in. Right, so we're in Merch Dominator, bestsellers. What I've done is I've applied the hide brand filter. So it says yes, and I clicked on search, and surprise, surprise, we can see Trump absolutely leading the charts, absolutely crushing print on demand right now, guys. I mean, look at this, 10,550 sales per month for this design right here. BSR 937. I remember a couple of days ago it was about 500 in BSR. Sometimes it got to 400 in BSR. That is absolutely ridiculous traction, guys, I'm telling you. So when we look at the different variations of the design, we have Legend, Trump 2024, Not Guilty. We have a few other variations. Guys, if you got into this niche, you would have absolutely crushed it right now. However, I've had people saying that these designs go to under review. They don't go straight away to processing. And that's because Amazon wants to check the keywords being used in these designs and the establishments being against Trump. I feel kind of uneasy going into this niche. That's just my personal opinion. I can see that a lot of people are absolutely crushing it. I didn't get into this niche, I'll be honest with you guys, because yeah, you never know what happens with Amazon. But as you guys can see, this niche is absolutely killing it. Yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you guys got into this niche. Next, we have Trump 2024. Now, over here, you've got different variations. So you've got the American flag with Trump 2024. You've got I'll Be Back, various other variations that people have done for this design. But as you guys can see, it is absolutely crushing it. I mean, look at the BSR, guys. The BSR is absolutely killing it. You need to work on trends. And when trends like this pop up, you have to be very careful what you're doing. And I believe that if you do the right thing, if you know exactly what keywords you're putting in, you're not going to have an issue. But if you go with some, kind of anti-establishment keywords, you can be in trouble. And we know for a fact that Trump is not liked by the establishment, so you got to be careful. But it's a niche that is selling really well, okay? Next, we have this niche that is absolutely killing it as well. I love my girlfriend, boyfriend, and this one right here as well. So please stay away from me. I've seen some people put in, so please stay with red, and that is also selling. And the beauty about this niche is that you can scale it. It's very scalable. So you could do I love my boyfriend, girlfriend, mom, dad, hot moms, hot dads, grandpas, grandmas, uncles, I don't know, whatever. Latina wives, Latino boyfriends, Latino husbands, etc., etc. You can literally scale it to the moon. And looking at the BSR here, it's decent BSR, guys. So this design right here sold 2,378 sales per month, and that's based on the BSR really. So if you want to find out more details about this, you can just turn on the BSR graph on hover, and you'll be able to see the estimated sales on the time frame. And if you want to know the exact time frame, right, just open the details page, and you'll be able to change the time frame however you like. Yeah, like that. And it goes up to all time depending on how long it is. The tracking started on the 3rd of the 2nd 2022. It was really high, up to 7 million, and then it went really down, and since then it's been absolutely crushing it, as you guys can see. Now next, what else do we have? We have Teach, Love, Inspire. This niche is crushing it due to back to school, right? Guys, check this out. This niche, or this design right here, is focusing on the groovy elements, okay? On the groovy aspects, wavy and all of that, boho, that type of stuff. And if you guys adapt, and this is what I always say, you have to adapt with the trends, with the times, right? People at the moment want the groovy style stuff, right? They want the rainbow style stuff. That's what you need to work on, right? If you want to sell, if you truly want to absolutely crush it. Looking at these bestsellers here, this is where I'm getting most of the niches, guys. And this is just to show you what is currently selling really well. You can also do seller trends, because that's what shows you what sold yesterday versus today. And if there's a drop in BSR between yesterday and today, and it has also a week period and a month period and a 3-month period, there's loads of different ways of finding trends, guys. You just need to know how to work. And my job is to show you how to do it. Right, next. Yeah, so look at what's selling here. You've got the sunflower seeds elements here. Next, we have Halloween. Halloween is absolutely crushing it as well, guys. Okay, especially this design right here. This is Bushies, or this is some Bushies. That's another variation. And Boo Boo Crew, but that's an old design. This is a newer one. And it is selling, guys. It is absolutely crushing it, as you can see. 22K in BSR. 1,092 sales per month. And yeah, there's a lot of variations that you can use. You just have to think outside the box. Okay, we have personally uploaded in this niche here, and there's no issues in terms of copyright or anything like that. So yeah, give it a go. And as a bonus, I found this design right here. Let's see. And this is literally just at the start of the bestsellers. There's literally countless designs, guys. Let's see. Where did I find it? This one right here. There's only 186 results. And is it selling? Yes, it is. Check this out. It is selling. And look, they've scaled it to my wife. I'm not going to say the word because we're on YouTube. And it is selling. So if you guys use the right tools, you'll be able to find trends just like that, guys. And if you're not subscribed to Merch Dominator, I would suggest you give it a go, because it literally gives you the latest designs, plus many, many other things. You know, like you've got keyword analysis, you've got AI niche generator, AI quotes generator, AI listing creator, and so on and so forth, trademark, whatever you need. At the moment, there's 50% off. So use the code 50OFF, put it right here, click on apply, and you'll get a cheaper price. You'll get it basically half price. And if you go for the yearly option, you get it for $245. You get an extra 2 months free as well. $245 per year. That works out around about $20 per month. If you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print on demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you got some value out of this video. Watch this video next if you want to find out about how to work in print on demand. I'll show you step by step. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.